Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, 𝗦𝗧𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬 with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're continuing our discussion around rose mount and micromotion flow meter technologies. Now in the last video, we discussed different types of zeros, including factory zero and field zero. And we also mentioned a unique feature, micromotion Coriolis, which it has an ability to determine which of those it wants to use. And so we're going to dive into that a bit further now. So let's say we have our flow meter installed like I have pictured above me here, but at some point down the road, you might have an issues with the flow output. You might, have a process upset. Maybe you don't think your readings are good, or maybe you might think there's something wrong with the meter. And most times you might think, okay, well, you know what? Let me go out to the meter. Maybe I'll zero it, maybe my zero went bad, maybe my conditions have changed. And so that is a logical thought process that many would have, but this may solve the problem only temporarily. See, what it actually might be doing is masking out the problem as opposed to allowing you to hone in on what the actual problem that you're having. Maybe it really is a process upset and your meter is totally fine. So in the long run, this actually may make things worse. So what's our solution? Well, it's called zero verification, and it's built-in functionality to determine if establishing a new zero would actually improve that flow measurement. A bit of a statistical analysis. And you can run it with the local operator interface. You can utilize ProLink 3 software to do this, and we always recommend doing this before you actually do a zero calibration or you zero the meter. And we promise you, you're probably actually going to have to run that zero calibration less frequently. And on the flip side, through process of elimination, it allows you to kind of hone in on the specific issues you might be having in your process and solve those as opposed to pointing the finger at the meter. Now, if it does say, hey, you should probably zero the meter, then make sure you run it twice just to be sure. But this is what our solution is to be absolutely confident that you should be zeroing your meter, or maybe you should be looking into possible other problems that are affecting that output. If you have any questions about micromotion flow meter technologies or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.